Oh. Hi everyone, thanks so much for clicking on my video. In this video, I am going to show you how I achieved this beautiful curl style. Like, you're looking at this and I'm pretty sure you're thinking like, wow, her hair is awesome. Okay, no, I'm a little bit full of myself right now because I have never had my hair come out this good. And I am so glad that I actually have somewhere to go tonight with this hairstyle. So stick around if you want to see how I achieve this look. In this video, I exclusively use products from the Lanafierce collection. You can see her line right here behind me. This is a product review of her line. Hitting it off right with the shampoo. In a previous video, I talked about how usually I don't see the lather of the shampoo until I wash it the second time. But with this shampoo, I only needed to use it once and you can see all those bubbles. It really works. I like to part my hair into at least 4 sections before applying a conditioner because it just makes application that much easier for my thick hair. Bruh. Oh my god. YouTube needs to come out with smells in the video because the way that this conditioner smelled was sorcery. But other than that, it just melted so evenly into my hair and I was able to detangle so quickly and in large sections like this, which is unheard of for me. For this look, I needed to blow dry my hair, and this is where the Lanafierce collection really came in. Before blow drying, I applied the strengthening leave-in conditioner. This added the needed moisture to my hair. And then I followed up with the Speed Dry Defrizz lotion. And what this lotion does is it helps speed up the drying process, pretty much what it says. Finally, I went in with this straightening spray. So this is going to help keep my hair straightened as I blow dry. Check out my previous video on how to blow dry and trim, in which I give you a step-by-step on how I blow dry. But I am so excited at these products and how they made my hair feel and look after blow drying. Before adding the Flexirods, I coated my hair with a Shine Reflector Shine Mist just to give it that some more moisture and to add a little bit of shine. And then I coated my ends with some more of that Speed Dry so that my ends will be wet when I rolled the Flexirod so that it can hold. I had a little bit of issues with Flexirods. I haven't used it before. This is my first time using it on my natural hair. And it was a little tight on that first one, but I definitely got the hang of it. Before unraveling the Flexirods, I sprayed a little bit more of that shine mist to give it more shine. Why not? And then I unraveled gently. It was at this very moment that I knew I was in love. So I went on to separate the curls and I coated my fingers with this French argan oil treatment to ensure that there wasn't any frizz and that the curls would just keep intact. Honestly, you can't tell me nothing with these curls, okay? You better step back, step off, and just appreciate. If you cannot tell by now, I am so in love with these curls, with this hairstyle. It's my very first time doing a Flexirod set on blow-dried hair. The Lanafierce collection is primarily for when you are doing blowout styles, silk presses, flat irons, hot combs if we still use those, or anything that requires you to apply heat to your hair. Her products are all sulfate and paraben free, and what I've noticed about most of her products is they smell so good. The product that I love the most in this collection is the conditioner. This smells, I don't want to smell it right now because I don't think I'm gonna be able to stop. And apart from that, it just melted into my hair. I was able to detangle my hair in large clumps, which I'm really able to do. And it left it smelling so good, so soft, and so just moisturized. So this is definitely my #1 product out of the entire line. My second favorite was the Speed Dry Defrizz Lotion. If you check out my previous video, my first video on how to blow dry, I didn't use the Lanafierce collection, and it took me about an hour and a half to blow dry my hair. With this, it only took me about 30 to 40 minutes. It kept the moisture in my hair. It didn't feel dried out. And the fact that it's able to dry your hair faster, that means that you don't have to expose your hair to that much heat for longer periods of time. So this would be my second favorite product in her collection. I've included a link to her website in the description box below where you can get all of these products. Her Instagram page, which I'll insert here, and let me know what you think, because this stuff is boss, okay? Boss. I definitely will be using her products religiously when it comes to using any type of heat in my hair. Thanks everyone for checking out my video on how I achieved this really cute look. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. Hit the thumbs up button if you liked what you saw, and don't forget to subscribe on the way out. Bye, curlies.